Is your data secure? Protecting yourself online today. In today's digital age, protecting your data and personal information online is more important than ever. With cyber attacks and data breaches becoming increasingly common, it's crucial to take steps to secure your data and protect yourself from potential harm. Here are some ways to ensure your data is secure online. 1. Use strong and unique passwords. A strong password is the first line of defense against hackers. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. It's also important to use a different password for each of your online accounts to prevent a single breach from compromising all of your data. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by requiring a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. This can help prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. 3. Be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing scams are a common way for hackers to obtain personal information. These scams often come in the form of an email or text message that appears to be from a legitimate source, asking for sensitive information. Never click on links or provide personal information if you are unsure of the sender's authenticity. 4. Keep your software and devices up to date. Hackers often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software and devices. Make sure to regularly update your operating system, web browsers, and other software to protect against these vulnerabilities. 5. Use a secure internet connection. When accessing sensitive information online, make sure to use a secure network, such as your home Wi-Fi or a trusted network. Avoid using public Wi-Fi, as it can be easy for hackers to intercept your data on these networks. 6. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it more difficult for hackers to intercept your data. This is especially important when using public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive information on the go. 7. Be mindful of what you share online. Be cautious about the information you share online, especially on social media. Avoid posting sensitive information such as your address, phone number, or financial information, as this can make you more vulnerable to identity theft or fraud. Taking these steps to protect your data and personal information online can help keep you safe from cyber threats. It's important to stay vigilant and regularly review your online security practices to ensure your data remains secure. Please like and subscribe if you found our video informative.